What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So happy 4th of July. It is the 4th of July, obviously. Saturday. I'm out here. I got my truck cleaned up. ZR1 stays pretty clean since it stays inside. The blue car, I just got done cleaning it up, swapped the front wheels. I got to do something about these headlights. I put new lenses in these lights probably, I don't know, 3 years ago. As you can tell, they're already kind of jacked up again, but it looks like a four-wheel drive right now because I just swapped the front wheels back. Cause obviously I got a bad tire on one side, but I can't freaking, these tires are on back order. So gonna do a little red, white, and blue picture, put it on social media. I think it'd be pretty cool. If you're not following me already, follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Bag95, and you'll see some cool stuff. But yeah, hit some tire shine on this thing, get it cleaned up, wipe the window down, set everything up. And check that out. That's pretty sick. That's a cool setup right there. So blue car's cleaned up. Was gonna go to the race today, but ended up skipping out. A couple of my buddies that was gonna go with me decided they didn't really want to go, so I don't know. We're gonna get into something else this evening. Got a cool local car show we're gonna go to. They're gonna do fireworks and all that. So I think it starts at like 5:30. And yeah, we'll ride out to that, but got everything cleaned up. Like, this is the first time all my stuff's been cleaned up in a long time. Like, the F-250, the old daily, is cleaned up. Like, I never wash this thing anymore, and I feel so bad. I got to get tires for it before LS Fest, because I'll be hauling the vet all the way to Kentucky, and I'm going to take the C6 ZR1, which I got it cleaned up. This thing just stays clean. God, this car looks so good. I love this car. A lot of people like the blue car over the ZR1, but God, there's something about the ZR1. Freaking love it. Let me know in the comments what you guys are doing for the 4th of July, or what you did if you're just now seeing this video. Hopefully you guys all have all of your fingers from the fireworks. But I don't know. We're going to get into something later this evening. Right now it is smoking hot outside. It's about 96 degrees. Actually, with the wind blowing, it's not too bad. But when I was out here washing everything, like, I drank 5 bottles of water within 10 minutes. It's so freaking hot. But God, everything looks so cool like this. Had to take some pictures, post it on social media, do a little TikTok, you know what I mean? But yeah, we'll figure out something here in a little bit. All right, guys, so decided to go to this little meetup. Got my buddy behind me in his Jetstream blue C6 Z06. It's gonna be a pretty nice evening. It's still hot outside. It's still 94, and it's, you know, 6 o'clock. So, but the place we're going to is pretty shaded parking lot. So, already a bunch of people there. It started at 5:30. Hopefully, we'll get a good spot. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. And it's Sunday, so we went to the car show last night. It was actually a pretty good turnout, pretty decent to be the 4th of July, and it was super hot. But it literally thundered one time, and everybody dipped. Like, it never rained or anything. So right now I'm just down here doing a little video of the car. But man, this thing is just such fun to drive. Like, I love this car. You know, I talked about, I think last video, selling it to get an R8 or something. I just don't know if I can. Like, I could just do a couple mods to this thing, and I mean, this thing already rips. Like, it is so nice. And actually, there's a set of wheels in Atlanta. I love the stock C6 ZR1 wheels. So if I ever get some wheels, I'm keeping these, because God, like, the wheels just look so good. But there's a set of forged lines, and I've always wanted a ZR1 possibly on CCWs of forged lines. There's a set of forged lines in Atlanta, no tires, for a really good deal. Thinking about that, and it's all for. So I'm not sure. The only downside is they're black. Like, the black might not look bad on here, but the bad thing about black wheels, and I'm not hating on them because I have a set of black wheels for my blue car, is sometimes the wheels, like, kind of disappear when you're taking a picture of the car or something in like a shaded area. Like right here, the wheels probably would be kind of like, you don't really see them, especially if you have a set of cool wheels like forged lines. You kind of want to see the wheels. So gonna think about those. But LS Fest is coming up. got a couple things I kind of want to do to this car before I go to LS Fest, because I am taking this. And if you guys are going to LS Fest, you want to meet up, hit me up, especially some of my ZR1 guys from Georgia. I'm hoping you guys come out as well. But yeah, guys, I mean, been a really nice weekend, been a long weekend, been super hot. Got out to do something that looks like it's fixing to rain on me, so I'm probably fixing to go back to the house. But the C6 ZR1 running great. Love this car. I mean, this car is so much fun to drive. So that'll probably do it for this video. I know it's kind of short, but something cool to put out, especially with the red, white, and blue. And honestly, you know, I was thinking yesterday too, I don't know who makes them, but I've seen it before. But there's a company out there that makes the ZR1 badge. Like the Z will be red, R will be white, and the blue will obviously still be on the one. That would look pretty cool on this color. You know, I could get one for the back as well, because the ZR1 badge is just, they're sick. I love the ZR1 badges. But let me know what you guys think about that. Possibly get some badges for this car. But obviously the stock ZR1 badges don't look bad either. But yeah, I think that'll do it for this video. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Gonna do some cooler videos next. This is just kind of like a BS video, honestly. But yeah, that'll do it, guys. Take it in one last second. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Peace.